the Inca pre-trip inspection. The truck is start building the air at the same time. So we have to wait until the governor cut off. Until then, we have to do something is inside what we need to do. So for example, we have traffic monitoring devices, which is a mirror. Make sure it has to be adjusted to the driver. And the windshield, no cut, no crack, no illegal sticker on it. Defroster and heater. Make sure the knob has to be on the defroster side before we check it. So we have to put our hand over there. Make sure we have to fill the air. We need to put the knob back to the driver's side and make sure the heater is blowing. We need to check those. The heater here, the horn here, and also air and electric horn. We need to make sure we need to check those balls. And the other one is the lighting operation. That's what they call it. So signal light on the right, signal light on the left, headlight. We need to change it to the high beam and low, high beam and low. Make sure that those are works. And the four-way flasher, it has to be on operational. This is how we need to check the lighting operation inside. Now we are going to do the air brake test. The air brake test is 4 different steps. The first one is we are going to see if the air governor is working or not, because we need to have enough air to take the test. Now I hear the air brake is bleeding, so that means we have enough air. The second step, which is we are preparing the vehicle for the test. The second step is going to be we need to turn the engine off and we need to turn the key back on. Once if we complete this, we need to release the brake. We need to release the brake. So we are going to start doing the 1 minute brake test. We need to push the brake gently and we watch for a minute. Make sure it has to be 60 seconds, not less. 60 seconds, the vehicle should not drop more than 4 psi. That's what the test is. We are checking the vehicle is leaking or not leaking. Any hidden air leak is going to be exposed on this test. So make sure you need to pay attention. You need to time it and you need to also look the gauge, if the gauge is leaking or not. Once if you see that, after 60 seconds, you release the brake. The next test is going to be the warning light test. We are pumping instead of pushing. We are pumping until the air governor is coming to 60 psi. Around 60 psi, we should have to see the air warning lights should be popped. Okay, those are up. So the air warning system is working as it is designed. When you have this level, we need to pull over and make sure we have to repair the vehicle for the leaks. And the last one, we are expecting the 2 parking brakes knobs should be pop out when the gauge is somewhere around between 40 to 20. There you go. They must pop out. On this level, we don't have enough air. As you see it is somewhere around 30 or 40. So we have to restart the engine and build the air to do the rest of the 2 tests. The rest of the 2 tests is going to be the parking brake test, which is on both sides, and the service brake test, which is the one we use it on the foot. So we have to wait until the air governor is built, or we should have enough air. For that, you can gently apply the fuel to expedite the rebuilding process. to point to the fully charged and secured fire extinguisher. We need to have it in the box, the 3 triangle reflector, and we also need to point to the spare fuse on the vehicle. We must have those 3. Governor is cut off, so we have enough air to do the parking and the service brake test. The first one is going to be truck parking. You release the parking, you engage the gear, and you see if the vehicle is moving. If the vehicle is moving, that means the parking brake is not working. We apply the trailer brake with the parking brake, and we release the service brake for the parking brake for the trailer. We need to engage the vehicle, the gear again. If the vehicle is moving, that means the trailer parking brake is not working. The last one we're going to do is going to be the service brake test. The service brake test, we are going to engage the gear to the drive, and we release both brakes, and we drive. If the service brake is working or not, we're going to test it this way. We release 5 miles per hour, and you push the service brake again, and it's going to be the end of the parking brake test.